Hello everyone! I will try to explain complex programming topics in as simple language as possible. Let's not waste time and get started. So the first thing to understand is algorithms. What is an algorithm? Imagine a numbered to-do list that reads from top to bottom. The list describes our business from morning to evening. For example, first, get out of bed, second, brush your teeth, third, eat breakfast, fourth, go to work, etc. Let's pay attention to two things. First, the list is read from top to bottom. Second, each action is described briefly, but at the same time we understand what we will do. This is important. The code in programming can be represented as follows. Public void main, brackets, get out of bed method, brush your teeth method, eat breakfast method, go to work method. What differences do you see? The first and the most incomprehensible thing in our code is probably public void main brackets. What is it? In the real world, we would write our actions in some kind of diary, a notebook in which cases for today are written for every day. In programming, we arrange all actions in methods, and the main method is traditionally considered as the entry point of the application. The actions that we put inside curly brackets will be performed from top to bottom when our application is launched. Other characters such as public void brackets are not so important. You can imagine for a while as if they don't exist. At some point, all this will become clear and we will get to it. So the first thing I want to show you is the method system.out.print brackets. So everything that is placed in parentheses of this method will be output in our console. Let's make an example like this. System out of println 1, system out of println 2, system out of println 3. As you can see, all the numbers are output in the order in which we wrote our methods, namely from top to bottom. This is very important. Traditionally, every programming lesson and perhaps every course begins with the conclusion, "Hello world." Well, let's do the same. So, I hope you feel closer to your dream of becoming a programmer. Success!